Most people see that pile of dry leaves in the yard as a chore, something to bag up and toss, but that pile is a sleeping giant packed with potential. It's not trash, it's a treasure chest of future soil, a battery of stored sunlight. The problem? Leaves are all carbon like a mountain of dry crackers. Microbes can't live on crackers alone, they need nitrogen, moisture, and a little sugar to get going. Without it, your leaf pile just sits there waiting for a real meal. That's where you come in. You're the chef for this microbial army. Add the right ingredients and you'll turn that brown heap into rich, dark compost, fast. Instead of hauling leaves away, recycle them right where they fell. You're closing the loop, returning nutrients to your soil. This isn't just cleanup, it's building next year's garden from the ground up. Let's wake up that sleeping giant. Here's the recipe to jumpstart your leaf pile. Grab a 5-gallon bucket and fill it with warm water. Think bath water, not hot. Add a cup of molasses or brown sugar for instant microbial energy. Sprinkle in a packet of active dry yeast, your starter decomposer. For a boost, toss in a scoop of finished compost or a splash of compost tea. Stir it all together until dissolved. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes. You'll see bubbles as the yeast wakes up. You've just made a microbial activator. A living energy drink for your pile. The sugar fuels, the yeast and compost provide the workers, and the water delivers them deep into the leaves. This simple mix turns a slow, cold pile into a hotbed of activity. It's cheap, easy, and way more effective than waiting for nature to take its time. You're not just making compost, you're brewing black gold. Let's put it to work. Time to get your hands dirty. Rake your leaves into a pile at least 3 feet high and wide. Bigger piles hold heat and moisture better. Now, layer by layer, sprinkle your activator over 6 to 8 inches of leaves. Repeat, leaves, activator, until your pile is built. Aim for damp, not soggy, like a wrung-out sponge. If you run out of activator, finish with plain water. The microbes will spread. Once built, stick a compost thermometer in the center if you have one. You've just delivered a feast to a starving microbial army. They'll wake up, eat, and multiply, generating heat as they work. Your pile is now alive and cooking. All you have to do is watch the transformation. You've started a biological chain reaction. Within a day or two, you'll feel heat in the pile's center, proof your microbes are hard at work. The pile will shrink as leaves break down, sometimes by a third in the first week. You'll notice a pleasant, earthy smell, like a forest after rain. If it smells sour, it's too wet or needs air. But a sweet, loamy scent means you've nailed it. Compared to an untreated pile, yours will be darker, denser, and full of life. Every week or two, turn the pile with a pitchfork to mix and add oxygen. Watch for steam, another sign of a thriving ecosystem. You're not just waiting, you're managing a living process. In the end, you've transformed waste into black gold for your garden. Those leaves captured sunlight and nutrients. Now, you're recycling that energy. You're building soil, feeding plants, and conserving water. Next time you see a pile of leaves, see the future of your garden. Wake up the giant. It's a job worth doing.